as the representative of Ethiopia to the League of Nations, I have great pleasure to express our deep feelings of gratitude for the sympathy shown to us by public opinion of the old and new world in our present difficulties.
I'm very glad personally to be working with Monsieur Lava. I'm also very glad to bring to Mr. Eden from Mr. Baldwin and all the members of the British Cabinet words of encouragement and support, and an assurance to him that he has behind him the undivided support of his colleagues.